Hello everyone, this is Animesh, your IT teacher. In the last class, we have covered the topic that is working independently. So, today I am here with a new topic that is self-awareness. Self-awareness is the knowledge of knowing about oneself. It denotes better understanding of ourselves and it enables us to experience ourselves as unique and separate individuals. What is the meaning of this self-awareness? It means what? To know about oneself, to know about yourself. Okay, अपने आप को जानना. That is self-awareness. Awareness means to know about something. तो self मतलब अपने बारे में. Okay. So this is self-awareness. Okay. So we can take the example of the famous cricket player Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, how he became the successful cricketer. The reason was that he did self-analysis. अपने आप का एनालिसिस किए, अपने आप को जाने. Okay. He come to know about him that he can play cricket very well. He enjoy cricket. He enjoy to play cricket, right? So whenever you choose your career, okay, the first thing is that you have to know, you must know that what is unique in you. Okay, कुछ ऐसा चीज होता है जो something is there, okay, which is unique in each and every person. कुछ ना कुछ तो unique होता है. If a person comes to know about his unique thing which is present in him or her, he can definitely do better. So this is self-awareness. अपने strengths को जानना है, अपने weakness we have also discussed in the previous sessions. But today this topic we have to study, so I am explaining you. Anyways, so there are two types, okay, that is internal self-awareness and external self-awareness. Okay, so we will see the different types. So first you take the screenshot of this. Okay children, so let us see the first one is that is internal self-awareness. Okay, it represents how clearly we see our own values, passion, aspirations, reaction including our thoughts, feelings, behaviors, strengths, weakness and their impact on others. The same thing which I explained, that is self-awareness. This is internal. It means you have to know about yourself. अपने बारे में जानना है. This is internal. Internally हम कैसे हैं? How I am from inside. Okay, so the best method is there. Okay, I have written this is SWOT. SWOT. You have to do your SWOT analysis. Then you will know your dislikes, likes, choice. Okay. So what is the SWOT? The first one is strength. You must know about your strengths. If you are good at mathematics, it's good. It's your strength. Okay. Weakness. One must know his or her weakness. Why? अगर किसी भी एक पर्सन का अगर कोई weakness है, weak point है, okay, so he should improve it, and this weakness should be converted into his or her strength. Okay, this is opportunity. Opportunity means what? अवसर. Wherever you get opportunity, you will definitely try. Okay. Next one is threats. Threats means खतरा. आपको खतरा किन किन चीज़ों से है, किन किन चीज़ों को ना करें. If you go or if you do the SWOT analysis about yourself, you will come to know about your strength, weakness, how to convert this weakness in his or her strength. Next one is the opportunity. You must grab opportunities. And opportunity is what? Avsar, I told you, but the thing is that suppose that someone is good at cricket, okay, or singing. Suppose that if you are good at singing, okay, you can sing a good song, very good, nicely. So if you get a chance to sing in the annual program of your school, so that is an opportunity for you. You have to grab it. Yes, I will sing. Okay. And threat is what? Threat is मतलब आपको खतरा किन किन चीज़ों से, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, तब तो आप बचोगे ना. Then you will try to defend yourself. Okay. So this is all about internal awareness. So you just take the screenshot of this. I will discuss about external self-awareness. Okay, children. So let us see the second type, that is external self-awareness. It means understanding how other people judge us. It means what? दूसरे हमें कैसे जज करते हैं, इसका भी अवेयरनेस जरूरी है. इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यूज, पैशंस, थॉट्स, बिहेवियर्स, strengths and weakness. This means how you appear to others and are being perceived by others. This is also very important, dear children. External self-awareness. It means how you appear in front of some other people. Suppose that, how it is important, I am just telling you. Suppose that if you go, okay, to meet a new person, okay, but at that time your behavior was very what you can say rude, okay, बड़ा अजीबोगरीब बिहेव किया आपने. ओके, सो जिस पर्सन से आपने मिला, उस पर्सन के दिमाग में क्या इमेज बना आपके बारे में, दैट यू आर नॉट a good manner or you didn't well behaved. Maybe he might think that कि आपने अच्छा बिहेवियर नहीं किया, बिहेव नहीं किया, इट मीन्स आपका बिहेवियर ही खराब है. सो इफ़ यू कम टू नो, आपको कहीं से पता चल जाता है कि वो इंसान का सोच आपके बारे में, अबाउट यू, ही थिंक्स दैट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू बिहेव. ओके, देन you will come to know by doing self awareness and you will start working on you कि हमको I have to improve myself, मेरे को improve करना है. और उसके बाद से whenever you meet any person in life you will meet politely. तो इससे क्या हुआ, आपका जो बाकी दूसरों से मिलने का जो तरीका था वो बड़ा पोलाइट वे में होगा. सो दिस इज सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको ये भी जानना है कि दूसरे आपके बारे में कैसे सोचते हैं. सो यू जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीन शॉट ऑफ दिस. आई विल डिस्कस वन मोर टॉपिक. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, दैट इज सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. ओके, इट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. Self motivation is the force that keeps pushing us to go on. Okay, it is the energy that encourages to be excited to do any work. The self motivation, motivation means what? एक एनर्जी जो आपको अंदर से जगाए रखे, मुझे कुछ तो करना है, ऐसा नहीं आया लाइफ में आए चले गए. समथिंग, कोई रीजन है इस दुनिया में आने का, एंड आई विल डू. ओके, सो सी यू कैन रिलेट इट विथ एन एग्जाम्पल आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू. सी दिस, सपोज दैट यू आर द स्टूडेंट, ओके, एंड इनसाइड यू एन एनर्जी इज देयर, दैट इज मोटिवेशन. अब आपका एक टारगेट है. सबसे पहला, इफ you don't have any target, any goals in your life, motivation कहाँ से आएगा, एनर्जी कहाँ से आएगी काम करने की? नहीं आ सकती ना. आपके पास एक टारगेट होना चाहिए, एक लक्ष्य होना चाहिए. ओके, सो सपोज दैट यू आर इन स्टैंडर्ड 10th राइट नाउ. ओके, आप 10th क्लास में हो, 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हो. आपका अभी टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए? पहला टारगेट, दैट आई हैव टू अचीव 10 CGPA in board examination, 10th board examination. This is your target. अब आपका यहाँ पे टारगेट है, इफ यू हैव एनी टारगेट, you will work for that target, you will work for that target, you will work to achieve that goal in your life. Okay, so this energy will boost you to reach your goal and you will definitely hit the target. Okay, if you work positively, if you work continuously, and if you manage your time management, I taught you na. Okay, so congrats, if you reach, your target will be definitely achieved. It means क्या, what, अपने आप को जगाए रखना है, पढ़ो, पढ़ना है, मुझे 10th में 10 CGPA लाना है, मुझे कुछ करना है, this is self motivation. Okay, you have to do something. Okay, so finally we have completed this topic, and we will meet with the new topic in the next class. For today it's over, so thank you, God bless you all, and have a good day.